Hi, I'm Alex. I'm with Synergy3 and we're here in Society Hill on South 2nd Street. And today we're going to go over how we installed a Bryant mini-split ductless system. But before we talk to the homeowner, I just want to give a quick shout out to the three guys that are responsible for this installation. We have Edward, Artem, and Michael. Without them, this job could not go as smoothly as it did, so I'm real proud of them. So let's check inside and see what we did.
We're relatively new homeowners. We bought this property about 2 years ago. When we bought it, we knew that the mechanicals were a bit old. They had two systems running here, a whole home system, and then another ducted system that was just for the bedrooms. That ducted system, unsurprisingly, after 20 years of good service, kicked out, and we needed to find something better. We reached out to Synergy3 because a friend of ours recommended them highly. We're in an older home, not super old, built in the 70s, but it's a townhome in downtown Philadelphia, and you really do need to think very, very much about the aesthetics of the outside. And that was something that was really critical to us. Alex had done such a wonderful job kind of thinking about unique options for how to do the placement, how to do all the drainage, things that I hadn't thought about initially. With our prior system, like I said, it was a ducted system. So we had the ducts, and it was frankly a little hard to just kind of throw them away, but it just made so much sense. It made so much sense from an efficiency perspective, from an environmental perspective, and also from a comfort perspective. We work from home some days and have different heating and cooling needs during the day. And then we've got 3 different bedrooms on different floors, all needing a little bit of a push one way or another in the direction, and it's just so much easier to do that with a multi-zone mini split than it was with a ducted system. Top of mind, obviously, right now, I'm sure with a lot of people, is energy conservation and cost of energy. Huge savings that we're expecting moving to a heat pump system from a standard refrigerant AC unit, but also the comfort and individuality that you can do with each of the different rooms when we're working from home or when one of the bedrooms isn't used. Really want to be able to tailor that so that we're not overcooling or overheating various areas and everyone gets to have a great night's sleep. Synergy3 did a wonderful job. They were able to get us in, I think, within less than 2 weeks of when we were ready to go. And that was big for us, was to be able to get it in when it worked for us, to get all three rooms done, remove the old unit, do all of it. It was done within a business day, which was great. It allowed us to be able to enjoy the system that night. They did a great job cleaning up. We're very thoughtful about mask wearing in the house, as well as doing the work in a way that didn't require a lot of cleanup. They really were thoughtful about how they drilled their holes, and throughout the process were asking questions about placement so that we were all happy with the finished product.
All right, thanks so much for watching. If this is something you guys are interested in, you can give us a call or check out our website. Thanks.